Making 100K with dropshipping in 2025 is achievable with the right approach, consistent effort, and smart decision-making. Here's a streamlined guide to help you reach your six-figure goal. Choose a niche with high demand, low competition, and strong profit potential. Consider trending products like eco-friendly items or smart gadgets. Work with suppliers who offer fast shipping and quality products. Platforms like AliExpress and Salehoo can help you find trustworthy suppliers. Your website should be professional and user-friendly. Focus on mobile optimization, fast load times, and ensure product images are high quality. Use paid ads to target your audience. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram are key. Run A/B tests to optimize performance. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products. Micro-influencers offer high engagement and are cost-effective. Upselling and cross-selling can significantly boost your revenue. Offer related products or higher-end versions to increase AOV. Retaining customers is key to growth. Use email marketing and loyalty programs to build trust and keep customers returning. Automate order fulfillment with tools like Oberlo. Use virtual assistants to handle tasks, freeing your time for important decisions. Use analytics tools to track performance. Regularly review sales and customer behavior to optimize for higher conversions. Gradually expand your product range once your business is stable. Increase your ad budget and consider international markets. Reaching 100K in dropshipping is possible if you focus on the right niche and implement strategic marketing.